Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a CV in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Microsoft Word and then click on File. Then click on New. And here you can search for a CV template or click on the search bar and type CV. Then click on the search icon. Now here you have multiple options to choose from. Let's select one of these templates or one of these CVs. Let's select this one, click on it, and here as you can see, you can apply with this CV for academic and research positions. So just click on create and wait a few seconds. Now you can edit your CV. You can change the name, the address, add your phone number and your email address. Here you can add a bio, education, honors and awards, research experience, teaching experience. You can also add some sections or change them. You can also delete a section if you don't need it. Just select it and then click on delete. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.